Hi SA community, we just wanted to take a few minutes to say thank you. So when I was board chair, one of the things that I thought about was how do we honor God through our building structure, through our experiences for the kids, spiritual life, academic focus, and all the various things that go on here at the SA campus. Many of you are familiar with the story of Joash, the boy king, who rebuilt the temple. We have such a treasure here on this campus, and how do we honor God through what it looks like and how kids experience it. Many of you have donated sweat and equity, volunteering, providing resources through funding for these projects, and we wanted to highlight a few of those and say thank you.
Thank you, donors. You have given us so much this school year. You helped send our Bel Canto students to New York City, where they got to perform in Carnegie Hall. You replaced a shade structure within our preschool play area, so at the brightest and hottest times of the day, the kids are protected. And our most significant project this year, you helped replace the roof on our middle school building. From a list of projects that need to be done on campus, we chose this one because it needed to be done, but we chose it because this is a legacy building on our campus. It's one of the original 5 structures that was placed here many, many years ago. So we wanted to preserve that legacy.
I live in this building, the middle school building, and we have had years and years of, oh no, is my classroom leaking, or are things dripping down onto my desk? So we are very, very excited to have a new roof. We also are super excited about having heat and air conditioning in our lobby and hallways. Thank you so much. It's made a huge difference in our everyday lives.
Thank you so much for what you have given to our program. We couldn't be who we are without you.
Just yesterday when it rained, I walked by and noticed all the water nicely draining down through the gutters. And if you looked at it previously, we had holes up in the roof that water would literally drain down through. So it's a major significance.